Hey bunnies, for today's video we're going to be doing a $50 rainbow haul. Rainbows is one of those shops where you go into and you don't expect to find like, you know, the best and best of the best, but they have some of the cutest pieces, and that is where I go to get all my basic chick dresses. Judge me, I don't care. I love them so much. They're comfortable, they hug my body really nicely, and they're pretty cute and pretty cheap. So yeah, this is going to be a try-on haul of sorts. The first thing I'm going to show you are two shirts that I got. These are the only shirts that I got out of everything, and I only got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things for $50. That's not bad, right? Okay, so like I said, I love the dresses, but I love getting these little basic t-shirts or tank tops like what I'm wearing right now that you can pair with your jeans, your shorts, your skirts, whatever the case is. Now these you wear with jeans, and I got two colors. I got it in blush and I got it in nude. Now I have worn this one already and I had to cut the tag out of it because it was itching like crazy, but it's still like, I still have pieces of the tag in there, so don't judge me. But this is it here, and I paid $5.99. They're $5.99 each, but if you buy two, you get them, if you buy two or more, you get them for $5. So it's like $1 off of each when you buy two or more. So I got both of them for $10, and the colors are, I love. Like these colors, you know, like these nude colors, I love. I live for them right now. Next item I got is this super cute striped dress in pink. It has the black, white, and green stripes on there. I've already worn this dress. It is so comfortable, so cute. I absolutely love it. This one I think was as well $10, around there, you know, in that price range. I'm gonna say everything here is 10 because those two, that's 10, 20, 30, 40 and change. I think one of them was like $15. So let's say this is $10, okay? I really don't remember. Don't shoot me. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find the price and put it somewhere here or in the description or something like that. How about that? That works out. All right. So this dress here, again, super comfortable. I live for these dresses, and it's actually a good length. A lot of them, when you get them, they're super short, and I got this in a small. I have gained some weight since my last fashion videos. So yeah, the thing with a rainbow, when you buy these, because they stretch, I can still feel like I'm a small, so I got myself a small. The next dress I'm going to show you is this black, beautiful black dress. Oh, beautiful to me, basic as hell, but it has the white on the collar, white on the capped sleeve, and then again it is a good length, and it does have that scoop to the bottom, and there's like raised on the side, that hemline there. Super comfortable, very stretchy. I have worn this already, and I wore it actually to impromptu girls night that I had at one of my friend's house, Penny, who will be at Naked Sunday Full Frontal. If you're gonna be there, you're gonna meet her. Hey, all right. And then the last piece I have is this blue striped dressy shirt dress. Now this one I think I'm going to return and get it in a bigger size because I feel like this is supposed to fit really loose and boxy. I got this in a small. It has no stretch to it at all, right? But this is it. Like I said, it has no stretch. It does fit, but it fits tight. Tighter than I would like it. This one, the tag is still on there. This one was actually $10.99. Yeah, wow, that's a really good price. I'm surprised by that. Haven't worn it yet, obviously, because the tag is still on there. Sure. I'm sorry. Am I cursing? I'm sorry. But yeah, it has a deep V, and then the only thing that's weird, why I think it should be big and boxy, is this, like right here, it's like a whole thing. I don't know what's I don't know what that's for. But yeah, I do like it. I think I'm gonna return it and get a bigger size if I can find the receipts. And yeah, that's all I got. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Bunnies, so quick question. Do you want to film a Naked Sunday video with me? If yes, which I'm hoping the answer is yes, now is the perfect time to film with me. Click the link in the description bar below so you can get full access to the very first live taping of Naked Sunday. I'm gonna bring two of my favorite girlfriends. We are going to have an open bar, we're gonna have giveaways, we're gonna have pictures, and of course, we're going to be talking sex. Right? How fun is that? So if you want to be part of the very first filming of the, what am I going to call this? Naked Sunday full frontal, click the link in the description bar below for more info.